Peary Habits Level 2, Musical Lesson Number 14. Yay, the day has come. We get to go on and learn something more than line 1 of chimes. I bet you're just so excited, and I know it's going to be worth it though, because you are so great at your push wrists now. Okay, so here's the fantastic news. This news is just going to get better and better. Is line 2 of chimes is exactly like line 1. So you actually know line 1 and line 2. So we don't need to go through the fern of that. You'll just repeat. Let me show you how that sounds. I'm going to use my pedal. Watch these wrists. Ready, go. That was line 1. Now we're doing line 2. See, I start right back at the G, and now I'm doing my C. So you need to practice that 5 times every day. Now here's the thing. Whenever we're playing a fast piece, which chimes we're doing a lot of motion, so it is kind of fast, you need to practice it at a variety of speeds, just like we did in Halloween pranks, or else it's going to get actually worse. I don't know why your muscles do this, but everybody's does. If you constantly play fast, you'll actually get sloppier. So to avoid playing worse and to avoid losing our great wrists that you've worked so hard to get, you need to play it at 1 time every day with metronome 88. This is so you don't get faster, okay? 2 times, no metronome. 2 times, move it 5 speeds down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's back down to 69. You hear that? Quite a bit slower. But just play it that slowly and make sure that wrist is going. That's how you're going to practice lines 1 and 2 this week. Line 3, new. We're going to use fern. Let's go through the steps. This is going to be a piece of cake though, because you've already gone through the hardest part of chimes. Right hand, exactly the same. Left hand, fingers. It's going to come up and play starting with finger 1 on this B. So here's where my right hand is. Here's where my left hand. It's a third away from my right hand thumb. That's where it's going to set up. Now, left hand's going to do this. It's going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then shift down. So now my thumb's on an E. I'm going to do the same fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Go back to the B. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fingers. So in our left hand, when we're playing the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then shift down, don't try and cross your thumb under at this point. Just shift your whole hand down. So here I'm playing my 4. Now pick up your hand and shift to the next group. We're using the pedal and we need a nice loose wrist, and crossing this thumb under will usually twist our wrist too much. So just pick up after that 4 and go straight on to your next one. The expression. Did you notice what I was doing? Push wrists, right? Push wrists on every note. So let me show you how they go together. Now your left hand and right hand are going to line up exactly. So if you're good at your right hand, your left hand should just follow it along. So ready? Pushing on every note, not popping up. We're staying on the key, but hands and wrists are exactly together. Rhythm, all quarter notes. 1, 1, 1, all the way through, hands exactly together. Notes, let's go through left hand notes. Ready? Starting with the B. B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B. Repeats. B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B. On fingers, make sure that that thumb stays under as well, that it doesn't come up when your left hand's finished playing. So, pretty straightforward. You'll be able to practice that with fern play it slowly this week and no pedal so you can really focus on those wrists. You can play those first 2 lines at all the different speeds. And then by next lesson, we can start putting it all together. So I'll see you for lesson number 15.